Today I am checking out this full 360 surround view HD dash cam. Let's see what's in this box. Instruction manual. Here is the actual dash cam. It's got multiple lenses, and I like this because these lenses you can either face back towards you or face toward the sides just to get a better field of view, which is pretty awesome. So we'll set that there. Power supply, or you can use a USB cord to plug it in, which is what I'm gonna do. There's a rear view camera that you run all the way to the back of the vehicle. That's kind of cool. And the suction cup for the windshield. Let's see what we got going here. So I'm gonna use the USB cable. Go ahead and get the suction cup out. Oh, look at that. I thought you needed a separate memory card. It comes with a 64 gig memory card already installed, so I don't have to buy a new one. That's cool. Now we've got power. All right, I'm gonna get this set up and take a drive, check out what it does. Okay, so I can see my front field view. I can see my side view. Cool. And looks pretty good to me. Let's see here. All right. That's pretty simple to get set up. There is an app to use for it. I'm not gonna set that up right now. I'll set that up a little bit later. But that's pretty simple. You just stick it up there and you run your camera to the back. Good to go. So we'll go around. Sound from the camera as I'm driving. I don't have any special microphones or anything. This is the actual microphone from the camera, so you'll know what it sounds like. I do wish I had one of these a few weeks ago because we were in a auto accident and it really would have helped the situation if I would have had video recording of it. Just got through testing out this dash cam and I am truly impressed with it. One of the things I liked is it does have the 4 cameras. You have the main camera that's looking out the front of your vehicle. There's one that I was able to mount in the back of the vehicle and plug into the top of this. And then you have your 2 side cameras where you can adjust the camera angles up and down and left and right. You can even turn the camera all the way around so that you can have view of inside your vehicle if you want that, or if you want to point the cameras out toward the sides so you can see that as well. The screen's easy to navigate, easy buttons to use. I found it to be a great little dash cam. It does have G-force detection. It has parking monitor and a lot of nice features such as that. You can easily clip it onto the suction cup that goes on the windshield. All in all, I'd say I'm impressed with this, and I wish I'd have had it a couple of weeks ago because I had an accident and this would have helped out. Everything worked out great in the end, but having the video proof would have been even nicer. So I'll definitely be using this, and if you're looking for a good dash cam for yourself, I would check this one out.